What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Dude's Tech. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best microwave splatter cover for food to keep your microwave clean and your meals evenly heated. If you're tired of messy splashes, this list is for you. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Galleyby microwave splatter cover for food. The Galleyby microwave splatter cover for food is a practical kitchen accessory designed to make microwave cooking cleaner, safer, and more convenient. Built with a smart collapsible structure, it easily expands for use and folds down compactly when not needed. This space-saving design allows it to be stored effortlessly in cabinets, drawers, or even hung on hooks, making it ideal for modern kitchens where organization matters. One of its key functions is maintaining cleanliness inside the microwave. By covering food while heating, it effectively helps prevent splatters, spills, and food debris from sticking to the interior surfaces. This reduces the need for frequent deep cleaning and keeps your microwave in better condition over time. The cover is designed with small ventilation holes that allow steam to escape during heating. This ensures that food is warmed evenly while also preventing excess moisture buildup inside the cover. As a result, your meals are heated more consistently without becoming overly soggy. Ease of maintenance is another strong feature. The microwave splatter cover is dishwasher safe, allowing for quick and hassle-free cleaning. Its stain-resistant material ensures that food residue and spills can be wiped away easily, whether by hand or in the dishwasher, helping maintain hygiene with minimal effort. For user comfort and safety, the cover is built with heat-resistant materials and includes an easy-grip handle. This makes it simple to lift and remove even when the contents inside are hot, reducing the risk of burns or discomfort during use. Overall, the Galleyby microwave splatter cover combines convenience, cleanliness, and practical design to support everyday cooking needs while keeping your microwave neat and your food properly heated. Coming in at number 4, we have the Saebume microwave splatter cover for food. The Saebume microwave splatter cover for food is a thoughtfully designed 2-in-1 kitchen accessory that helps make everyday cooking and reheating cleaner, safer, and more efficient. Built to handle multiple kitchen needs, it goes beyond a simple microwave cover by combining protection, convenience, and versatility in one compact tool. Its 2-in-1 structure includes a splatter cover with a stable base plate that fully encloses food from all directions. This helps prevent messy splashes inside the microwave, reducing cleaning time while also helping retain moisture in food. By minimizing evaporation during heating, it supports more even warming and better tasting meals. Safety and ease of use are central to its design. The anti-scald base plate features a thickened and widened handle, offering a secure grip that reduces the risk of burns commonly associated with traditional microwave covers. This makes handling hot food significantly more comfortable and safer. The cover is designed to fit a wide range of kitchenware. With a diameter of 10.7 inches, it is compatible with plates and containers up to 10.5 inches, making it suitable for most bowls, pots, and dishes. This versatility ensures consistent coverage and even heating across different meal types. Made from upgraded food-grade BPA-free plastic combined with flexible silicone, the cover is both durable and practical. It is heat-resistant up to 464 degrees Fahrenheit, 240 degrees Celsius, safe for microwave and oven use, and dishwasher-friendly. Its foldable design allows for compact storage with a reduced height of just 1.57 inches when folded, making it ideal for kitchens with limited space. Beyond microwave use, this multifunctional tool can also serve as a freshness cover to keep food protected, or as a strainer for washing fruits and vegetables. The base plate can even double as a fruit tray, adding extra utility to its design. The Saebume microwave splatter cover is a practical addition to any kitchen and also makes a thoughtful gift for holidays, birthdays, and special occasions, bringing everyday convenience to family and friends. At number 3, the LekDrok microwave splatter cover for food. The LekDrok microwave splatter cover for food is a thoughtfully designed kitchen accessory that combines practicality, safety, and multifunctionality in one compact set. It includes a 10-inch microwave food cover along with a versatile silicone mat, making everyday cooking and reheating more convenient and cleaner. Designed for a perfect fit, the microwave cover helps keep your appliance clean by preventing food splatters on the top and inner sides of the microwave. At the same time, the accompanying mat works as a protective layer for the glass turntable, helping avoid direct heat contact and allowing users to handle hot dishes safely without waiting for them to cool down. Beyond its primary use, the set offers impressive versatility. The microwave cover can also function as a colander or washing basket for rinsing fruits and vegetables. Meanwhile, the silicone mat serves multiple purposes in the kitchen, acting as a trivet, pot holder, utensil rest, placemat, hot pad, jar opener, coffee coaster, and even a dish drawing mat for countertops. This multi-use design helps reduce clutter and replaces several single-purpose tools. Ease of use is another highlight. The 10.5-inch splatter guard fits most standard bowls and plates, while its adjustable height, ranging from 0.75 inches to 3.4 inches, allows it to accommodate different food sizes. It is also collapsible, making storage simple and space-saving. A specially designed easy grid handle ensures safe handling, allowing users to lift the cover from the microwave without the risk of burns, offering a more secure grip compared to traditional designs. In terms of materials, the cover is made from durable PP plastic, while the mat is crafted from food-grade silicone. Both are heat-resistant and built for long-term use. The silicone mat can withstand temperatures up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit and is safe for use in microwaves, ovens, and dishwashers, ensuring easy cleaning and reliable performance in everyday kitchen tasks. In the second spot, we have the Glou Goose microwave splatter cover for food. The Glou Goose microwave splatter cover for food is a practical and versatile kitchen accessory designed to make everyday cooking and reheating safer and more convenient. Built with durable, food-safe materials, it combines functionality with a thoughtful design that fits modern kitchen needs. Crafted from 100% tempered glass and high-quality silicone, this splatter cover ensures long-term durability while remaining completely BPA-free and free from harmful chemicals. The use of food-grade materials makes it safe for daily contact with a wide range of foods. Its soft yet strong silicone components add flexibility, reducing the risk of breakage during regular use. One of its standout features is the anti-scald silicone handle knob placed on the top. This ergonomic design allows users to lift the cover safely even when it is hot, eliminating the need to wait for it to cool down. It enhances comfort and safety during busy cooking routines. The cover is also designed with smart ventilation in mind. 2 built-in steam vents allow hot air to escape while microwaving or heating food. This helps prevent condensation buildup and keeps water from dripping back into the food, maintaining better texture and taste. Beyond microwave use, the cover can also function as a multi-purpose pot lid, adding extra value in the kitchen. It is dishwasher safe, making cleaning simple and hassle-free after use. The Glou Goose microwave splatter cover for food brings together safety, durability, and convenience in one essential kitchen tool. Whether reheating leftovers or covering pots during cooking, it offers a reliable and user-friendly solution for everyday meal preparation. And finally, at number 1, we have the LeRaise KRX32 microwave splatter cover for food. The LekDrok KRX32 microwave splatter cover for food is a practical kitchen essential designed to make microwave cooking cleaner, safer, and more efficient. Made from pure glass, it acts as a durable protective lid that fits over plates, bowls, and meal prep containers, helping prevent food splatters from creating messes inside the microwave. One of its key features is its commitment to food safety. Unlike plastic or rubber covers, this glass splatter guard is completely plastic-free and non-toxic. It does not release harmful chemicals such as BPA or lead, even under high heat. Built with high-performance glass designed for durability, it offers long-term reliability for everyday use. The cover is designed with a dual venting system that allows steam to escape safely during heating. This helps prevent pressure buildup while ensuring food is heated evenly. The controlled ventilation also helps maintain moisture in food, preventing it from drying out while reducing the risk of burns when removing the lid. Its transparent glass construction provides clear visibility, allowing users to monitor food as it reheats without lifting the cover. This adds convenience while maintaining heat efficiency. The material is sturdy, reusable, and easy to clean, as it is fully dishwasher safe. For ease of handling, the lid includes a firm grip handle that makes placing, lifting, and storing it simple and safe. It is designed to fit comfortably in kitchen drawers or cabinets when not in use. With a size of 10 inches by 11.75 inches and a weight of 3 pounds, the LekDrok KRX32 is suitable for a wide range of cooking tasks. It can be used for reheating leftovers, steaming vegetables, cooking bacon, warming pasta, or basting food. Combining durability, safety, and convenience, it serves as a reliable, everyday microwave accessory for modern kitchens. Keep your microwave spotless and your meals perfectly heated. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more smart kitchen and tech finds.